Maya, quick question. If a company that makes coding tools suddenly wants to make actual drugs, should I be excited or should I keep my prescription pad away?
Both, Marcus. That's exactly the tension in today's show. AI is barreling into medicine and science, and the safety question isn't, is it scary? It's, can we actually verify it works?
Verify, my favorite word. Let's start with the one that's got everyone talking, Anthropic.
So this week, Anthropic announced Claude Science at an event called The Briefing AI for Science. It's pitched as an AI workbench for scientists. It pulls fragmented tools and datasets into one place, and even generates figures and visuals. And per The Verge, Anthropic now wants to develop its own drugs.
Its own drugs. This is the company best known for a chatbot that writes Python. That's a leap.
It is, but here's why it matters to you. Drug discovery is slow and expensive. If you can collapse a scientist's scattered tools into one environment, you speed up the boring parts, finding data, making charts, spotting patterns. That could genuinely shorten timelines.
And here's the safety caveat fairly stated. A workbench that generates figures is only as trustworthy as its data. In science, a confident wrong chart is worse than no chart. The whole field runs on verification, and AI's weak spot is exactly that. It can be fluently, plausibly wrong.
Right. Faster hypotheses, same rigorous testing. The AI can suggest. The lab still has to prove.
Which brings us to a story that is a masterclass in Show Me the Receipts. Midjourney and its medical scanner.
Yes, Midjourney, the company famous for generating images, released a behind-the-scenes video of what The Verge calls a dunk tank ultrasound scanner. They want to deploy it in spas and say it could transform medicine.
A dunk tank scanner in a spa from an image generation startup. Maya, I have questions.
So, does The Verge? That's the whole headline. The video shows more of the device, but still hasn't shown much proof it actually works. And that's the safety heart of it. A slick reveal is not clinical evidence.
To be fair, ambitious hardware needs a first look before it's proven, but looks futuristic and measures your body accurately are two very different bars. For a medical device, the second one is the only one that counts.
The measured take. Exciting concept, unanswered questions. And a spa is a strange place to debut medical tech. Watch for real data.
And here's the reality check that ties it together. Even the man spending billions is hitting the ceiling.
TechCrunch reports Mark Zuckerberg told Meta staff in an internal meeting that AI agents haven't progressed as quickly as he'd hoped. This is the CEO pouring money into this, and he's saying the timeline slipped.
Which is oddly the healthiest thing I've heard all week. When even Meta admits agents aren't there yet, that's a useful counterweight to every AI will cure disease by Tuesday headline.
Exactly. The gap between the demo and the deployment is real. And honestly, in high-stakes fields like medicine, a little slowness is a feature, not a bug.
So that's the through line today. AI is charging into science and health. Claude Science, Midjourney's scanner, but the receipts, the proof, and even the timelines are all still catching up.
That's your daily dose of signal over hype. Subscribe to the AI Beat for your daily briefing. We do this every day.
Tomorrow we're digging into the browser wars, the ones that aren't about search anymore. You won't want to miss it.
See you tomorrow, everyone. Stay curious.